Termites, drywood termites to be exact, the largest cause of property damage in Southern California. If you live in the termite zone, which stretches from the Mexican border all the way through Santa Barbara and about 60 miles inland, there's only two kinds of structures, ones that have termites and ones that are going to get them. A drywood termite problem always starts with the swarmer. They're about a ½ inch long, they have a reddish head, and have wings. Dozens of them can emerge from a single colony each year during the migration season. They can move from house to house, gaining access through cracks in stucco, broken ceiling tiles, open windows, and through air vents. Once inside, the swarmer eats into the wood and starts a new colony. Then each year during the migration season, they will just move from one wood member to another, starting new colonies throughout your home. All of the damage is caused by the worker termite. These workers create channels and tunnels inside your structural wood framing. These termites continue to eat 24 hours a day. Once termites are discovered in your home, all other companies will use a product that is toxic and poisonous and will only control termites for a very short period of time. For true termite prevention, you need a product that's going to eliminate the termite problem you have now, plus protect your home from future swarmers and infestation. Wouldn't it be great if you could find a product that was non-toxic, non-poisonous, lasted for years, and had no environmental impact at all? Let me introduce you to Dryout, the non-toxic, non-poisonous, non-chemical, ultimate termite elimination and prevention product. Created from 100% amorphous silica gel, Dryout is perfectly safe to use in your home, around your family, and pets. Dryout works completely different than poisonous chemicals and pesticide products. Once the micron-sized particles of Dryout are applied to any wood member, it renders that wood absolutely termite-proof. Because Dryout affects the exoskeleton of insects, a drywood termite only has to come in momentary contact with it to be eliminated. Once a termite enters into your structure, the tiny micron-sized desiccant particles of Dryout cling to the termite's exoskeleton. Within moments, the termite starts to dehydrate and will die in less than 2 hours. Because Dryout is not a chemical and is non-poisonous, it is completely environmentally safe. Based off the toxicology reports and testing, it has been registered with the Environmental Protection Agency with a health hazard rating of 0. We challenge you to find any other product used by any termite company that has a health hazard rating of 0. What this means is Dryout is completely safe to use around your home. The report also says under spillage and cleanup, sweep, vacuum, or flush to sewer. You will not find a greener product to use for termite prevention and elimination. With a single application of Dryout in the void areas of your home, those wood members will be protected from drywood termite swarmers gaining access to your home. If left undisturbed, Dryout can protect your home from termites for years. Dryout is the only product that provides the best defense for preventing termite infestation. Proven for over 18 years, Dryout is the best product for protecting your home against termite infestation. You won't find a greener product or one that works better on you.